You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce these phrases? I know it is quite confusing, and yes, that's because there are different pronunciations. Most certainly, the most common and accepted pronunciation in English, both British English and American English, is as polka dot, polka dot, with a silent L. If you're wondering if the L is silent to polka, yes, most cases it is. Now, if you look at dictionaries and different pronunciations that exist, well, the pronunciation with an L pronounced also exists, as in polka dot. Polka dot is not entirely incorrect. It's certainly not the most common, but if somebody says that's totally incorrect, well, that's not correct. Polka dot with an L is also pronounced, but it's so soft. When you say polka dot, you can't hardly hear the L anyways. Yeah, polka dot is more common. That's true. Now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.